Bluehost Affiliate Program Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to all relevant products and resources are in the description. The Bluehost Affiliate Program is one of the most popular web hosting affiliate programs, known for its high commissions and beginner-friendly promotions. Bluehost is a trusted hosting provider officially recommended by WordPress, making it an easy sell for bloggers, website owners, and digital marketers. Affiliates earn a flat commission per sale, with payouts starting at $65 per referral and increasing based on performance. Features. The Bluehost Affiliate Program offers straightforward commissions without complicated tier structures. Once a referral signs up for a hosting plan, affiliates receive a fixed payout, regardless of the plan chosen. The program provides affiliates with marketing materials, including banners, custom tracking links, and detailed performance reports in the dashboard. Bluehost has a strong brand reputation, making conversions easier compared to lesser-known hosting providers. Payments are made via PayPal or bank transfer, with a 45-day waiting period before withdrawal. Who is it for? This program is ideal for bloggers, content creators, and digital marketers in the web hosting, WordPress, and website building niches. It's especially effective for affiliates who create tutorials on starting a blog, website setup guides, or digital marketing content. Since Bluehost is beginner-friendly and offers affordable plans, it's a great choice for those targeting new website owners and small businesses. Last, strengths and weaknesses. One of the biggest advantages of the Bluehost affiliate program is its high payout per sale. Compared to many other hosting affiliate programs, the fixed $65 plus commission makes it a lucrative option. The strong brand recognition and official WordPress recommendation also increase trust and conversion rates. However, there are some downsides. Payouts are delayed by 45 days to account for refunds, and the program does not offer recurring commissions. Additionally, Bluehost's customer satisfaction has fluctuated over the years, which could impact conversions for affiliates promoting hosting comparisons. Final verdict. The Bluehost affiliate program is an excellent choice for affiliates looking to earn high commissions in the web hosting space. If you have an audience interested in website creation, blogging, or digital marketing, it's a solid program to promote. Check the description for sign-up links and recommended tools. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing insights.